Autism spectrum disorder is not just a single story, but a complex spectrum that influences how people think, interact, and experience the world. To understand this, we explore the cognitive theories behind autism, which help us make sense of the unique challenges and strengths faced by individuals with ASD. Let's start with theory of mind, or TOM. Theory of mind is about understanding other people's thoughts, feelings, beliefs, and experiences. Imagine being able to see the world through someone else's eyes. That's what theory of mind is all about. In typically developing children, this skill starts with joint attention, like two people focusing on the same thing. By around the age of 5, most children understand that others can have different beliefs and emotions. However, for many individuals with autism, this skill may develop differently. This can lead to difficulties in social communication, misinterpretations, or appearing over-literal in conversations. The concept of theory of mind was first described by Uta Frith in 1989. Since then, it has helped us understand why people with autism might find it challenging to understand sarcasm, jokes, or the intentions of others. Next, we have executive function, a set of skills that help us plan, organize, and control our actions. It's like having an internal manager who keeps everything on track. For individuals with autism, challenges in executive function can mean difficulty transitioning between activities, struggling to sequence tasks, or even impulsive behavior they might later regret. Weak central coherence is another cognitive theory that helps us understand autism. It's about seeing the details but missing the bigger picture. People with autism may focus intensely on specific details, which can be both a strength and a challenge. This may manifest as reading fluently without understanding, or focusing on small details rather than understanding the overall context. Context blindness, described by Peter Vermeulen, refers to the difficulty in using contextual information to make sense of experiences. For instance, a person might not realize that toilets in a showroom are just for display, missing what might seem obvious to others.
This difficulty can lead to misunderstandings in social settings or challenges in adapting to new environments.
The double empathy problem, introduced by Damian Milton, reminds us that communication challenges are not one-sided. It's not just about people with autism struggling to understand others. Neurotypical people can also struggle to understand the perspective of someone with autism. Empathy goes both ways. Monotropism is about having an intense focus on one thing at a time, sometimes to the exclusion of everything else. This can mean incredible dedication to a particular interest and difficulty shifting attention when needed. This tendency can explain why some individuals with autism may get stuck on certain activities or struggle with unexpected changes.
Understanding these cognitive theories help us appreciate the unique experiences of individuals with autism by learning about the theory of mind, executive function, weak central coherence, context blindness, the double empathy problem, and monotropism. We can better support and connect with those on the autism spectrum. Remember, understanding is the first step to inclusion. Let's celebrate diversity together.
This video has been produced with the support of the Erasmus Plus program of the European Union. The content of this video reflects the views only of the author, and the European Union cannot be held responsible for any use which may be made of the information contained therein.